where were we at there? Jules Carlson.
I almost named that one.
And who did you ask, Jules?
I didn't answer.
That is exactly correct. 13. Carol Winkman.
1/2.
1/2, or 0.5. 14, Luke.
4 squared root of 6.
4 square roots of 6, or 4 times the square root of 6. Here you go, Brooklyn. 15.
-3.
-3. 16, Jason.
3 pounds 12 ounces.
3 pounds 12 ounces. 17. The graph of 2x minus 5y equals 20 passes through which of these points? Maddie Roth. How about it? Letter C. Not literacy, but letter C. 18. Binomial times a binomial, Elijah Fisher.
4x squared minus 25.
4x squared minus 25. Number 19 is a Bell.
4x squared minus 20x plus 25.
4x squared minus 20x plus 25. And number 20, write expressions for both the perimeter and the area of that rectangle. Drew, how about the perimeter?
16x plus 12.
Very good, 16x plus 12. And the area? Aubrey Altenburnt.
12x squared plus 32 plus 5.
32x plus 5. 12x squared plus 32x plus 5. These, then again, would be the times that Trium and Souls. Brooklyn says,
What was 17?
who?
What was 17?
17 was letter C. Kate,
How do you do number 20?
number 20. Anybody else on answers before I go to the number 20 thing? Number 20. Let me see if I can find it here. Is this the one? Number 20. Is that right? Yeah?
Yeah.
I love 20. Of all the problems you could have asked, Kate, this was probably the absolute best one of all. Number 20. Let's look at the snippet. Number 20. We have a lot of these, so hopefully at some point this starts making a little sense. Kate, I am absolutely positively sure you drew the rectangle, yes?
Yes.
Looks like I'm on the ginormous thing here again. And you labeled it?
Yes.
Length and width, it really doesn't matter which one you call one. Usually the length is longer, so we'll go 6x plus 1 here and 2x plus 5 here, right? So which one? Both area and perimeter, or one? You get both? Let's start with, which one's it ask us first? The perimeter. How do you find perimeter of a rectangle?
Oh, so that.
Add all the sides together. So what are we going to add together? 6x plus 1 plus another 6x plus 1, correct?
Yes.
Plus a 2x plus 5 plus another 2x plus 5. So Kate, if you put all those together, how many x's do you come up with? 6x's plus another 6x's plus another 2x's plus another 2x's is 6 and 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 x's, right?
Yes.
We're not multiplying, we're adding. And then if you add the rest of the numbers together, we have 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5. I believe that adds up to be 12. So there's your perimeter. Area is length times width. So here you're multiplying this times this, a binomial times a binomial, which somebody out there says, anytime I do binomial times binomial, I use what? Grace? That's foiled again, which means first terms multiplied together gives you 12x squared. You with me, Kate? 6x and 2x, 12x squared. The outside terms, 6x and 5 is 30x. The inside terms, 1 times 2 is 2x, and the last term, 1 times 5 is 5. Generally speaking, with this, the middle two terms are going to combine. You get 12x plus 32x, sorry, 12x squared plus 32x plus, what else was there? 5. Where'd you go wrong, Kate?
No.
That's a good answer then. I know there's more questions out there. How do I know that, Ryan Harrington?
That's your square.
Oh, well, thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Somebody told me they didn't understand something, so yet I would suppose that the question would be answered somewhere here. Saw this. Or maybe they won't ask. Ignorance is bliss, as they say. Delaney got it.
11.
Number 11. Oh, perfect. 0.36 repeater changed to a fraction. Jaden, shoot. You're not allowed just to rip off the repeaters thing there and say, let's just make it 36 over 100. You have to follow directions, which were, if you look at our notes, step number 1 was to just put it equal to a variable. I don't know why the letter F is the one to use. How many people got that? Step number 2, you are supposed to multiply by a 1 with as many zeros as digits that repeat. How many digits repeat there? 2. So you're going to multiply both of these by 100, which gives you 100F equals, here's where people get a little confused. That just means you're going to move the decimal over 2 places. That means you get a 36 without the repeater sign. We still have the second 36 that gets the repeater sign. Step number 3 is subtract those bad boys. 100 minus 1 is 99F. Take away, you subtract these, the thing you want to happen is the repeaters go away, and you're left with 36. Solve the equation for step number 4. Divide by 99, divide by 99. 3 goes into both of them, what's that? 12 over 33, oh, 3 goes into both of those, 4 over 11. Did I get that right?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you understand the error of your ways? Ready, Ron?
13.
Number 13, finally. I know somebody else I'm sure had this question. 125% times, or I guess it said of, 5/6 of 0.48. Really, the only way to do this is you need to change them all to decimals, change them all to fractions. The unfortunate thing is, why is decimals out of the question, Jason Burke?
Can we get a number that just keeps going?
Which one would give me a number that would just keep going?
5, 6, because it's repeating.
Yeah, 5, 6, 6 are one of those repeating decimals. You get the best way to do it is just change them all to fraction. 125% as a fraction is what? 125 over, percent means 100, times 5, 6, times, what's 0.48 as a fraction? 48 over 100. Can we simplify that? Absolutely. What can we do there? Who asked this question? Man, what can I get rid of here? Before, I do not want to multiply all those and get something over 60,000 or whatever that is there. I want to cross cancel. What cross cancels? Yeah, 6 goes into 6 once, 6 goes into 48 8 times. Other things? Who?
5 to 100.
5 into 100, sure. Let's do 5 goes into 5 once into 120 times. There's something else more and bigger. Elijah?
Can we use measure 25?
Yeah, what number goes into both of these? 25. 25 goes into that 5 times. 25 goes into that 4 times. Oh, look, more. 5 goes into 5 once, and 24 times. 4 goes into 4 once, into 8 twice. Oh, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4 twice. What are we left with? 1 times 1 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 1. Jules, does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Which part did you get? Because this, I can guarantee you, we've done this type of problem. I bet I've done 4 or 5 times. One of these that look like that. Yes? Which part did you try to change them to decimals? I did notice on the test somebody tried to change them to decimals. I won't make eye contact directly with that person, but it is somebody sitting here in the middle of the room, somewhat. You don't have to, you do. No, Drew, I don't agree to admit. What do you got, Drew?
Number 14.
14, the square root of 8 times the square root of 12. What did you do, Drew, and where did we go south? What do we got?
Well, for 8, I split that up into 4 times the square root of 2.
Square root of 4 times square root of 2, and then what?
And then split 4 into square root of 2, square root of 2.
Alright, so I end up with 3 square roots of 2 for 8, correct?
I put 2 square roots of 2, not 3.
No, that could be your
4,
first
sorry.
order.
No.
I mean, you got the one that, you split this into this one has to stay, and then you split this into 2 more, so you can totally, you have 3 of them right now. Did you not get 3 of them? Because 8 is square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2. Square root of 12 is square root of 2 times the square root of 6, and the square root of 6 is the square root of 2 times the square root of 3, and that's 2 more square roots of 2 and another square root of 3. So they cross off to give you a normal 2, and gives you another normal 2. These 2 don't cross off, so you remultiply them. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 square roots of 6. That, by the way, is a long, methodical way. If you probably can figure out easier ways to do this. That is like the bare bones, you don't quite get thing, kind of all the way thing. What could you have done? Another way to think about it would be, Elijah?
3 square roots of 2 for 8.
I did 3 square roots of 2 for 8.
Yeah, but we could just do it.
Oh, yeah. You could multiply this out and get the square root of 96, right? If you do multiply those together there, correct? And if you know that 96 is the square root of 16 times the square root of 6, there is a square root of 16, which is 4. I mean, there's more than other ways that may or may not you can catch on to. There are shortcuts in math. If you don't understand the shortcuts, don't take the shortcuts. Gee, I'm guessing the heat turned out because I feel really warm at this point. Anybody else before we slide into something new and twice as confusing? This one will be easy for you, by the way. So take a one piece of paper.